Hi there, and welcome to Tech Library, the only stop that you need for all things tech. So today we are going to focus on movie making with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this video, I will show you what is possible to capture and create a cinematic video using only your pocket. No matter if you are a complete knob or a 10-year veteran of video making, stay tuned as we reveal how to properly shoot and transform it into a piece of art. Now, we want to proceed to shooting. There is nothing wrong with that, but let us make sure that all the preparations to do a successful shooting have been made first. This is the first tip that one should ensure that they have located a good site with lit landscape. Natural light is preferred much, so it is recommended that you shoot during the golden hour. After you select the place, lock your iPhone to avoid shaking. You can use a tripod or even a gimbal for this aim to make the video look professional. Now, it is time to configure your iPhone 15 Pro Max for filming. Set the phone in video mode by clicking on the camera application of the phone. Try different frame rates and different resolutions depending on what the scene you are shooting requires. For those incorporating scenes in motion, it is recommended to use 4K at 24p for that movie-like look. Another thing that is evidently important to a cinematic video is composition. Applying the rule of thirds, especially when the subject is placed outside of the center of the frame, makes it balanced. Experiment with different angles, ground level, low-angled, and eye-level shots to give the audience variety and probably distinct vision on the event. Do not forget to lock focus and exposure, as explained by holding on your subject to keep on the shot. Always ask for B-roll while shooting a video, as this will help in enhancing the experience of the video. The two types of shots assist in creating the overall feel and tone of the video you're producing. It primarily involves being conscious of small movements and other details to tell an exciting story. Now that you've recorded or shot your video, it's now time to cut and trim. The clips can be transferred to an editing app such as iMovie or LumaFusion right from the iPhone. Begin by constructing the storyline of how the clips will be organized to create tension or any emotion. Remove unimportant scenes and find out how to transition from one scene to the next smoothly. These concepts appear as a vital aspect of cinematic videos since they involve the sound design. Introduce background music to create feelings and the mood of what is going to be presented in the video. Select background music that is free of royalties, or record your own music using the app named GarageBand. Improve your video with background noise or to add commentary to the scenes or events that are happening. Color grading adds allure to your footage. It makes your video to look more professional, like a movie. Utilize post-production editing applications so as to be in a position to tweak the level of brightness, contrast, and color balance of the video to correspond with mood. Use various presets or come up with your own style for that distinct feel that will make your footage pop. There you have it. Thus, with the help of the above instructions, one can shoot and stage a movie-like clip using the iPhone 15 Pro Max exclusively. Just keep that in mind, that practice is the key to mastery and should try something new every time. So, for those who also benefited and got to learn something new through this video, do not forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below, or subscribe to the channel for more of the tech tips and tricks. That's it for now, and happy filmmaking.